There are forces moving through your life right now. Invisible forces, subtle energies. They shape the way you think. They stir your emotions. They decide what you chase and what you run from. But they are not random. They follow a law older than time itself. The law of duality, the dance of balance, the hidden rhythm of the universe. Pause. And once you see it, you will never look at your mind the same way again. Act I, the hidden energies. Most of us believe our thoughts are our own. We believe our choices come from logic, that our feelings rise from within. But listen closely to your own mind, and you will hear the truth. A single word from someone else, and suddenly your chest is heavy. A smile from a stranger, and your entire day feels brighter. We are not closed systems. We are instruments, tuned and retuned by the energies around us. Reflective inner monologue. Why do I feel this fear that seems bigger than me? Why does this sadness feel like a shadow that isn't mine? Why do I repeat the same reactions as if pulled by invisible strings? These are not accidents. They are the play of polarity, the unseen tides of energy, like the pull of the moon on the ocean, like the shifting of night into day. Your mind is caught in the rhythm of opposites. Act 2, the dance of duality. Think of fire and water, light and shadow, expansion and contraction. At first, they seem opposed, forever in conflict. But look deeper, and you see they need each other. Light cannot exist without shadow. Joy cannot be known without sorrow. Even your breath is born in balance. The inhale, the exhale, the constant meeting of opposites. Pause, reflective tone. And so it is with your mind. Every craving is tied to resistance. Every fear is tied to desire. Every thought is balanced by its opposite. We suffer because we cling to one side. We chase light and deny darkness. We want pleasure and reject pain. We embrace certainty and resist change. But in doing so, we break the rhythm. We fight the very blueprint of a universe. And the more we resist, the stronger the opposite grows. Soft inner monologue. I wanted control, and so I was consumed by chaos. I wanted safety, and so I was haunted by fear. I wanted joy, and so I was chased by sorrow. The lesson is simple, but it is not easy. You cannot escape duality. You can only learn to see the balance. Act 3, the method of seeing. Here is a powerful method. The way to step out of the invisible prison of the mind. When a thought arises, don't fight it. Don't cling to it. Simply ask, what is its opposite? When anger burns in you, look for the hidden sadness beneath it. When fear takes hold, search for the desire it protects. When sorrow weighs heavy, see the joy it once mirrored. This practice reveals the blueprint. It shows you that no thought is alone. No feeling stands without its shadow. And when you see both sides at once, something miraculous happens. The energy loses its grip. The tension dissolves. And for a brief moment, your mind rests in balance. Pause, reflective. This is not escape. It is not control. It is alignment. You begin to see life not as chaos, but as a perfect dance of opposites. A rhythm that has always been there, waiting for you to notice.
Hey friends, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And make sure to leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, don't forget to follow us for more inspiring content every week.